everyone! Today we're going to be doing a little bit of grammar and we're going to be using modals for speculating. And the name of this presentation is It Can't Be a Shoe. So what are modals and what is speculating? Well, let's find out. Speculating is when you guess possible answers to a question, or it's when you form opinions about having something without having the necessary information or facts. So basically it's guessing answers to a question, to a mystery, a little bit like Sherlock Holmes, okay? So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be speculating, and we're going to do it using modal verbs. What are modal verbs? Well, really quickly, there are special verbs and they're called modal verbs. Some examples of modal verbs include would, can, should, must, might, and a whole lot of others. And you know these, you just maybe don't know that they're called modal verbs. Modal verbs also always go with another verb, okay? So, for example, I would not like to visit Afghanistan. Would is the modal verb, and it goes together in this sentence with like. Then another example, should I call him later? Should is the modal verb, and in the sentence it goes together with call. And finally, it might rain later today. Can you hear that? That was thunder right when I said that sentence. And so might is the modal verb and rain is the verb that it goes with. Okay, let's go back to our speculating now. So let's talk about speculating about the present. So that means something now, okay? I'm just going to read through this. When speculating about a present situation, we use a modal verb plus an infinitive. We use, for example, must, that's a modal verb, to express a strong belief that something is true. John must be happy working at the zoo. I'm sure that he's happy working at the zoo. I really think it's true. Might, may, and could, when we think that it's possible that something is true. The lions might be hungry now, or they may be hungry now, so I think that's possible. And can't, to express a strong belief that something isn't true. For example, it can't be a domestic cat, it's too big, okay? We're going to see why they're talking about cats and zoos later, okay? So let's play a game. The game is called What's This? And we're going to speculate, that is, try and guess what is in the picture. So here's the first picture, and it's really weird. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 10 seconds, and you at home are going to say out loud, it might be, it must be, it can't be, it could be, and then we're going to figure out what it is, okay? So here's this strange picture. What is this? 10 seconds. Start speaking now. Okay, time's up. What did you say? I said it might be a pear. It must be something you can eat. It can't be meat. Okay, let's find out. What is it? It's a strawberry. It's a strawberry. Okay, did you get that right? Let's do another one. What's this? So it might be, it could be, it must be, it can't be, okay? It can't be a vegetable. I don't think it's a vegetable. Let's go. 10 seconds. Talk out loud. Go. Okay, my sentences were it can't be a banana, it must be something technological, it could be, I don't know, a robot? Let's see what it is. What? Oh, it's part of a bicycle. Look at that. Here's another one for you, okay? Same one. 10 seconds. Look at that picture. Funny mauve, purple, violet color. And go. Okay, it might be an octopus. It must be something that lives in the ocean. Must be. It must be something that lives in the ocean. It can't be a shoe. It can't be a shoe. Let's find out. Oh, look at that. It's a toothbrush. I never would have guessed. Okay, so that is our speculating game, and we're speculating about something in the present now, and we used modal verbs to do that. See that? Here's another one. This is a little bit different. Why is the gate of this cage open? Why is that gate open? Now, you're going to speculate, but let's see what sentences you come up with. We've got a zebra, we've got a lion. Why is it open? Okay. I think an animal could have escaped. I think a lion could have escaped, or a zebra might have escaped, right? What's the difference between this sentence and the other sentences? Well, the other sentences we were talking about right now, this is something that happened in the past. So this is speculating, but it's a bit different. Speculating about the past, okay? When we speculate about a past situation or event, we use a modal verb plus have plus the past participle form of the main verb. We use must have to express a strong belief that something happened. You must have lost your mobile at the zoo. Might have, may have, and could have when we think that it's possible that something happened. Lucy might have missed the train. Or can't have and couldn't have to express a strong belief that something didn't happen. Peter can't have gone home. And my sentence was an animal could have escaped, so maybe. Okay? What is a past participle? Well, a past participle is the third version, that's what we say sometimes, of a verb. Okay, so irregular verbs are often listed in 3 columns. So the first column is the infinitive, the second is the past simple, and the third is the past participle. So here's the example here. Infinitive is be, the past simple is was and were, and the past participle is been. And we do it again. Go, went, gone, eat, ate, eaten. This is the past participle of the irregular verbs. Why am I talking to you about this? Because remember, when you speculate about the past, you use have, the modal verb. You use have, first the modal verb, then have, and then the past participle. That's the past participle of irregular verbs. All verbs have a past participle. Most verbs have a past participle. This, my sentence again, an animal could have escaped. It's not an irregular verb, but that is the past participle, okay? Okay. Why is the gate of this cage open? An animal could have escaped. A lion must have escaped. No, a lion can't have escaped. The zookeeper must have cleaned it. Cleaned the cage and left it open, okay? That's speculating in the past. I've just noticed it looks as though my head's being eaten by the lion. So I think I'll leave it at that now before he actually closes his mouth. Can you see that? Right there, there's the lion and he's eating my head. All right then, so that is speculating in the past and in the present using modal verbs, okay? Bye for now. Bye-bye.